Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Orgain Collagen Peptides. Collagen is a vital protein, essential for maintaining healthy skin, strong hair, resilient nails, and flexible joints. Orgain Collagen Peptides offer a convenient way to supplement this important nutrient. They are an unflavored, easily digestible powder designed to integrate smoothly into your daily routine, helping you support. Incorporating Orgain Collagen Peptides into your day is incredibly simple. You can easily add 1 or 2 scoops to your morning coffee or tea, stirring until fully dissolved. For a refreshing option, blend it into your favorite smoothie or protein shake. It also mixes well into foods like oatmeal, yogurt, or even soups, providing a versatile way to boost your collagen intake without altering the taste. With your settings dialed in, it's time to focus on driving techniques. Practice smooth and gradual throttle application to prevent excessive wheel spin, especially out of slow corners. Master progressive braking by gently applying the brakes and increasing pressure as you approach the corner, then easing off. Smooth steering inputs are key to maintaining stability and carrying speed through turns. Always aim to follow the optimal racing line, which helps you maximize cornering speed and achieve powerful exits, shaving valuable tenths of a second off your lap times. Regular use of Orgain Collagen Peptides offers several fantastic benefits. You can expect to see improvements in skin hydration and elasticity, along with stronger hair and nails. It also plays a significant role in supporting joint flexibility and overall connective tissue health. For an extra boost, consider pairing your collagen intake with a source of vitamin C, as it's essential for your body's natural collagen synthesis.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.